RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat yesterday highlighted the pressing need to address the ongoing conflict in Manipur, stressing that the state has been yearning for peace for the past year. Speaking at an event in Nagpur, Maharashtra, Bhagwat stated that the Manipur issue should be a top priority for resolution. It's been a year since Manipur has been waiting for peace. The state remained peaceful for the last 10 years, but suddenly the gun culture increased again. It is important to resolve the conflict on priority, Bhagwat stated. This marked his first public comment on the election results and the situation in Manipur. Bhagwat criticized the election campaign strategies, noting that they often ignore the potential to escalate tensions between conflicting groups. He mentioned that even organizations like the RSS were involuntarily pulled into the conflict narrative. During the campaigning, nobody took care to stay away from the propaganda that could increase the conflict between the two groups. Organizations like Sangh were also drawn into it, he added. The RSS chief remarks come as a call to action for political leaders and organizations to prioritize the resolution of the conflict in Manipur, emphasizing the need for peace and stability in the region.